this is beginner level 2 salsa, week 2. So last week we drilled on a move called enchufla. This week we're going to go further into exploring the back break for the lead, and we're going to learn something called Copa. We're going to do a single hand Copa and a double hand Copa. Essentially what this teaches you is how to do a back break for the lead, which is the foundation of a lot of other moves in salsa. All right, so single hand Copa, we're gonna start with the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We do open break, back break by basically the lead kind of gives a little bit of a push forward. Ladies or leads or followers, it's important that you keep that resistance here when you step back, and that's what's going to bring you back. So try not to open that too much, right? Because with music it's too fast and you don't want to go all the way back because you can't come back from there. So try to keep it a little bit closer, especially at the beginning when you're learning. Later on, when you're faster on your feet, you may want to style and extend a little more, but for now we're going to try to keep this a little bit closer. All right, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, back break, 1, 2, 3. So for the footwork here, it's important for the lead to make that room for the follower to go in front, okay? So from here, so we step back, 1, 2, and 3. So you basically direct the follower as to where they need to go, and you let go. You catch right here by the hip, and then you catch this hand, and from here we exit 5, 6, 7, and we switch the hands back to open position. Okay, again 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So I'm doing a little bit of styling, which you may try this level, and 5, 6, 7. So that's your single hand Copa. So we're going to move on to double hand Copa, and notice how in the double hand Copa we're using again the right turn for the lady. So important when you're learning your absolute beginner. So everything that we do is kind of building up to get you to here and then to the next level. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7 is your single hand Copa. Now we do the double hand Copa. So we go 1, 2, basic, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, up. You prepare with both hands. She does a right turn, 5, 6, 7, and you do not let go of any hand. So you end up like that. You're gonna do you're gonna do a back break here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and go over her head, 3, and then you're gonna lead with your left hand out, 5, 6, 7. All right, one more time, just the double hand Copa. 1, 2, prepare, so that prep is very important, 5, 6, 7. So you step back, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Remember, it's important that you keep close to your partner and you keep that resistance in your arms, because when they lead you into a back break, you don't want to not have that tension to respond to his lead. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And we're done. To practice today, we're going to do a basic step followed by a single hand Copa, another basic, and then we do the double hand Copa. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Prep for double. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and basic step, 5, 6, 7, with music. 5, 6, 7, basic, single hand Copa. 1, 2, 3, prepare for double hand Copa. Turn, back break, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, single hand. 1, 2, 3, prepare for double hand Copa. All right, so this was beginner level 2 salsa, week 2 at the Salsa with Sylvia dance studio. I hope you enjoyed it. Next week we're moving on to week 3. If you need more information about our classes, please go to www.salsawithsilvia.com. Keep learning and keep drilling. This is Mario. My name is Sylvia. We'll see you next week.